Welcome you all. In this discussion, we discuss about CPU scheduling. CPU scheduling is the very primary topic in the operating system. So CPU scheduling have a key topic of basic concept, scheduling criteria, scheduling algorithm, multiple process scheduling, real-time scheduling, algorithmic evaluation. The scheduling algorithms are the very interesting and more important topic in the CPU scheduling chapter. Basic concepts, we look at like 3 points. Maximum CPU utilization obtained with multi-programming. So we always kept busy the CPU. Whatever the resources program we assign to the CPU, we kept the CPU always busy. Then only we produce higher productivity. CPU input output burst cycle. Process execution consists of a cycle of CPU execution and input output way. So when the time of CPU working with the program, at the momentum input output device controllers are kept in the wait stage. When input output device controllers are getting some resources, at the time CPU burst getting to the wait, and CPU have a proper burst distribution. The diagram showing that whenever CPU burst is there, the input output is busy, and then continuously alternative sequence of CPU and input output burst, like in this diagram, working in that operating system to completing its target. This would be the histogram of CPU burst timings. Here you can look at the values. CPU scheduler select from among the processor in memory that are ready to execute and allocate the CPU to one of them. CPU scheduling decisions may take place when a process, there is a fourth thing, one switching from running to waiting stage, switches from running to ready stage, third is switches from waiting to ready, and four is termination. In this 4 point, the scheduling under 1 and 4, that is switching from running to waiting and termination, is a non-primitive. All other scheduling is primitive. Dispatcher module gives control the CPU to the process selected by the short-term scheduler that involves switch context, switching to user mode, jumping to the proper location, the user program to restart the program. Dispatch latency. Dispatch latency is the time it takes for the dispatcher to stop one process and start another running. Scheduling criteria basically based on these criteria. One is CPU utilization, we already discussed. Keep the CPU as busy as possible. Throughput, that is the number of processors that complete their execution per unit of time. Turnaround time is a amount of time to execute a particular process. Waiting time, amount of time a process has been waiting in the ready queue. Response time, amount of time it can be from when a first request was submitted until the first response is produced, not output. Response was produced for the certain requests. Optimization criteria, we always kept maximum CPU utilization, maximum throughput, and minimum turnaround time, minimum waiting time, minimum response time. We define the values for CPU utilization, throughput, turnaround time, waiting time, what is response time. Among them, we need to maximize the CPU utilization and maximize the throughput. So this should be the basic scheduling criteria. I hope that this discussion will help you. Thank you.